And there's options here to buy crypto through providers within the app, or we can send it over. So let's do that now by clicking on the buy button in the top left and seeing what those options are. From the buy screen here, it's going to show you the different cryptocurrencies that you can purchase, and you're going to be able to change that by clicking here and choosing which asset to buy. Now, everything right here is going to be on the Base network, so this is going to be Ethereum-based tokens here. You're not going to see Bitcoin here listed, for example, but if you click here on where the network is listed, you can change that to the different networks. So if we change it to the Bitcoin network, then you can purchase Bitcoin and even store it through this, for example. So if we switch it now back over to Base and we have it on buying Ethereum, this is where you could change the dollar amount. So let's say you're looking to buy $50 worth. You can then pay with Apple Pay or different methods here, and these would be the limits. And a lot of this is going to be through the Coinbase app, and then it's going to deposit it over to Base. So you have the option of debit card, bank account, fiat balance, and then even you can also transfer from your Coinbase account directly through the app too, if you want to avoid having to copy and paste a wallet address. Now, I've had a lot of trouble with Apple Pay in the past in terms of trying to buy crypto, so I'm not going to go ahead and try to do that.